Welcome to my channel. How to sync your Orbi router and satellites. Step 1. Place the satellite. Put the satellite in the room where you actually need Wi-Fi. Don't stick it in the garage first thing. Keep it within range of the main Orbi router. Step 2. Power on the router. Make sure your Orbi router is already up and running. If the router isn't working, don't even bother with the satellite yet. Step 3. Plug in the satellite. Take your satellite, plug it into power. Wait for the ring light to show up on top. It'll start glowing, usually white at first. Step 4. Find the sync button, flip the router around. There's a button labeled as sync. Same button on the satellite. That's what you're going to use. Step 5. Press router sync button, hit the sync button on the Orbi router. Just press once, no need to hold it long. Step 6. Press satellite sync button, within 2 minutes, press the sync button on the satellite. If you wait too long, you'll have to start over. Step 7. Watch the lights. Now, the satellite ring light will start changing colors. Blue means good connection, amber means it's connected but weak, magenta means it failed. If it stays magenta, retry the sync. Step 8. Move it if needed. If you keep getting amber, the satellite's too far from the router. Move it closer until you hit blue. Then you can push it back further to test coverage. Step 9. Check in the Orbi app. Open the Orbi app on your phone. It'll show if the satellite is connected. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes to update, so don't panic. Step 10. Repeat for more satellites. If you've got more than one satellite, just repeat the same steps. Router sync, then satellite sync, watch the lights, confirm in the app. Thanks for watching.